Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having lasagna. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. What we got in lasagna though?
So we have spicy Italian turkey sausage, and we have some chicken because you guys know I don't fancy the ground beef. And then we have some mozzarella cheese. We have some Parmesan cheese. We have some ricotta cheese mixed up with Parmesan and salt and pepper and all kind of yummy stuff. And we have here a avocado salad. It's tossed with cabbage, all kind of crap. And then I have a piece of bread on the side. Richie doesn't really eat the bread, so I just give myself a bread, and that's it. We're gonna dig in. My lasagna look good enough?
Your lasagna look busting, son, so you know. Let me throw some of this. What we got? Some crystal sauce. I got chenille sauce, Louisiana sauce, chenille sauce.
Are we playing a game today?
Yes, we're gonna play Who's Most Likely.
Good.
Yeah, so family, we're gonna play Who's Most Likely. Okay? That's later on. So let me just see what's going down with this first. First, what's the thing again? What's it? Salad?
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Carrot. What kind of crap?
Probably. I'm hungry. Well, I'm gonna taste the lasagna first. Wait, let me taste it first. Gosh.
The thing about lasagna is that if you're really hungry, please wait for it to cool down and set. Because if you don't wait, then you don't get to see the layers. You know?
It's all about the layers.
Yes.
That's why. That's why. You know what I'm saying? It's made lasagna. It's called lasagna. You want to see the layers. So what? I put whatever I want on my stuff. I don't care what you want to tell me.
Try the sriracha.
You want to put that in? Here. I don't care what you want to tell me. I put whatever I want on my food. It's my food, okay? Richie always put this on this and this. So what?
Who say that? Nobody.
What be saying? Richie always putting all kind of crap on his food. This is going in my belly. And the food in the belly is going up. So what's up, family? Happy Monday to y'all, good folks.
Happy Monday.
What's good with y'all? Everything good? You know we good over here because we eat lasagna. First they switch up the meat with me, you know? Wow.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I like lasagna, but I don't love it. Richie loves lasagna.
You know you're the first one to make me eat lasagna? Wow. First lady, you know you're the first one to make me do a lot of stuff?
Oh, Jesus Christ. You said it like five. My God. Okay.
We got new family members. Let me talk. They want to know. They want to be nosy. Family.
Sorry.
First lady didn't make me do a lot of stuff. But listen, I never eat lasagna like that. First lady.
But yeah, I'm not really a fan of it. I would eat it. You know, I'll probably make this like once a year.
Yeah?
I haven't made it in years.
Yeah, it's true.
Last lasagna I made was a chicken Alfredo lasagna. That was busting.
Busting.
I made that again.
Where my lasagna lovers are here, take a bite. Here. Take a quick bite. Yeah. Look like red pasta, but it's not red pasta. Could y'all see? That red pasta. I know they could see, but here, take a look. They could see? That red pasta. It's red lasagna. How was your weekend though? What we missed?
Well, this weekend I had a garage sale. I sure did.
First day, nobody garage sale. First day at a garage sale.
I ain't sell shit.
First day sell one crap. So where's my bread?
I didn't sell nothing, family.
So I don't eat bread too?
You always say you don't want a bread.
No, I never said I don't want the bread. You ever give me... Alright, when you make stuff and you give me bread, I don't eat the bread?
No, you complain and say I don't want no bread.
Oh, that's how we do that
Don't
now?
suffer for the family members.
Wow, that's how we do it?
Every time I give Richie bread, Richie said don't put no bread in my plate, I don't want no bread. But I put it on his side anyway for presentation and then still yum it. No, there's only one bread left. I'm going to eat because it's mine.
That's why I ain't getting them because there's only one.
That's right.
It's all good, you can have it.
You don't appreciate it.
It's alright, you can have it.
I know I can. That's why it's on my side.
Yeah, because there's only one left. That's why you can have it.
Oh, man.
Lasagna, good though. I like it.
What do you put on there? Hot sauce?
Hot sauce ketchup. My dear, good?
Ketchup? And you already have tomato sauce in there?
Wow. This Jackie is hitting now, Tom.
Yeah, it's hot.
Who finished it?
You? Oh! I gotta have my aunt's husband make me the hot sauce. Oh my gosh. His hot
Nice.
sauce is woo, nice. I had eaten it on the noodles. It was so good, the noodles.
Wow. When President should make it, when she was making lasagna, I said yes. I love it. I love it when you have a lot of layers of meat. You can hear him. So family, listen up. I thought the business. I thought to have some people also. I watch it, but I don't know what I do now. Tell them.
So,
Nah, tell them. We ain't gonna do that over here today. We ain't gonna do that at today's station. Hold on, let me eat some more. We gonna start the game. Come on now, relax. I know you wanna know who most likely to do crazy stuff. It's coming. Let us eat first, man. Happy Monday to y'all again. Cause we said it and y'all didn't even say nothing to it, but it's all good. Happy Monday. All right. Alright, babe. Alright, family. Since y'all want to know who's most likely to do all this kind of crazy stuff, First Lady, family, I got one for y'all. Alright. Who's most likely to get lost in their own neighborhood?
not me.
You're freaking ass.
That's a stupid question. Not me.
Yeah, you know where nothing is.
That's a lie.
Her family, she would get lost in her own neighborhood.
He's
family.
lying. That's why I said don't be picking these fool questions because you're gonna pick fool questions and doesn't apply. That is a lie.
Oh, so you would get lost in your own neighborhood?
I would not get lost in my own neighborhood. That's like a fucking idiot. Lost in my own neighborhood. No. But I'm sick of you.
Alright, so ask me one. Yeah, and then ask one. I just gave you one. Ask one.
Who's most likely? I mean, who's more likely or most likely, whatever? Who's more likely to cry? Me.
Cry.
Does your questions make sense, my
Yeah. Check.
I'm gonna get lost in my neighborhood.
You get lost in your neighborhood, my youth. Family. First Lady.
That's my love.
Who's most likely to lose stuff?
Me.
Put a bet two on them. Put a bet two on them.
Me.
Yeah, you.
I couldn't find my debit card for 2 days.
Exactly. Balling. The two questions came in one. Balling.
Yeah, that's
When
true.
she lose stuff, don't even ask me because I don't know where it is.
Let me tell you something. Richie will purposely put something somewhere that he had no business touching. For example, if I'm doing Tamia's hair, my daughter's hair.
I don't touch your stuff. I don't come with that shit. The boy touch your stuff. I don't touch your stuff.
Richard.
I find your stuff to put it up.
No,
You
don't touch my stuff. Listen, like I was saying, like if I'm doing Tamia's hair, the hair is always getting caught in my ring. So I take my ring off and I put it on the console table. Richie will pick up my ring and then put it somewhere. And then when I ask him for the ring, he will be like, oh, I don't know where it is. And have me looking around for it. And I'd be saying to him, Richie, I know where I left it. And he's like, I don't know. And then a few hours later, he's like, oh, here. I wanted to see if you remember where you put it.
She don't remember nothing. She have old timers, family. Listen. All right. Who's most likely to make the first $1 million?
Me.
Okay. Good.
Facts.
Me, family, can we play a lotto?
Child, please. Child, please. Lotto. Me.
Okay.
Let me see.
Ask me one.
Who Who's more likely or most likely to get embarrassed?
Me. Family. That's one thing. I don't like to be embarrassed, family. That's why I don't take back stuff to the store. I don't like to be embarrassed. One thing. I tell First Lady, I don't care what she buy. First Lady's a good spender. Or whatever, as long as as long as my card don't decline when I swipe it, I'm good. Family, if I go to the store and my card decline, I tell them I'm coming back, I will never go back in the store. They will never see me back in that store, family. Real talk. Any of my card decline. I don't like embarrassment, family. Every time I go to the store, I make sure I got called first and say, listen, there's money in the card, right?
First of all,
I don't like that.
First of all, you shouldn't be calling me and asking if there's money in the card. You have an account just like I do. You can check it.
Listen.
Don't put your head in my face.
Listen. You see when I ask my question, to answer my question, you have an issue with it? You see,
I'm
family?
just telling you
family, you see
how
that?
it's supposed to be.
Family, don't be biased now. You see all my stuff,
No.
she says a stupid question.
I didn't say
There's
it
no
was
stupid
stupid. It
question.
doesn't apply.
Yes, just to make sure when I swipe my card, it don't say decline. That's all I'm telling you.
All I'm saying is that you shouldn't have to be calling me. You have to check your account and say, oh, I got money.
I'm not checking up my youth. You ask me a question.
What's the next question?
You, I just like one. You ask one.
You got one.
Who is most likely to go to a Beyonce concert?
Me.
Okay. Why? Why?
I love Beyonce.
Okay, good. So that was a dumb question too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because you're not going to go. I'm just messing with him. His questions are not dumb.
Think of one. Okay, I got one for you now. Who is
most likely? Who's most likely to drive slow?
Your ass. That means a fast driver.
When I drive slow, my dude.
Who is most likely that cannot see at nighttime?
That don't make no sense. You see what I'm saying? You're not answering the questions properly. You're asking fuckery questions.
I don't drive slow. Do I drive slow? No. How I drive slow?
You drive slow.
No. Who have an issue at seeing at nighttime? Raise your hand. Yes. Family, no, listen. I got a good one. Who is most likely to go on a solo vacation?
Me.
Yes. First Lady love traveling. Okay, you see I'm giving you a good question. You give me be a fool in this question. Tell me I drive slow. When you see me drive slow?
You drive slow, my dude.
All right.
You're not even know it.
Okay. One more question, family. Go ahead.
All his questions that he's asking is for me. He's not asking a question for both of us.
I am.
Who's more likely to see in the dark? Who is more likely to go to Beyonce concert?
You can't.
Who is most likely to not find something? Come on, they're all directed to me.
You can't.
You're being biased.
You can't see in the nighttime. Okay. I'm being you drive slow. Which part of me drive slow?
Don't get you on the phone. That's it.
Okay.
Are you laughing?
Give me one more question, Tom.
Let me think.
I don't like this question right. This question don't make no sense.
I don't know.
I don't like this. I gotta go to a different one. Hold on, family. Give me a little time, family. Because
Who is most likely to complain at a restaurant? Me.
when she start, family, I keep my mouth shut. Go ahead, tell them what happened first. And she's most likely, she complain, oh my God. Huh? You have the lasagna come and look like this? Scan apart, she don't want it.
No, stop being dramatic. Yo.
Family.
Yeah, you be trying me,
she
son.
She do not want it.
That's not
go
true.
ahead. What, so tell them, yeah, that one, family. She is the one.
I don't like my food to be cold.
Who is most likely to get jealous?
See, all the questions directed to me.
I'm not. Both of us.
You don't get jealous. Where you get jealous at?
I don't get jealous, family. I don't get jealous.
Richie gets jealous, but he hides it. I get jealous and I'm out with it. I would say.
What depends what kind of jealous you're talking about?
It doesn't matter. Richie gets jealous and he holds it in, and it'll be 2 months. 2 months later, he'll be like, "Oh, remember the time?" And I'm like, "What? Why didn't you address it 2 months ago?" Oh, no, I'm addressing it now. But me, right then and there, what's going on? I don't feel right. Whatever the case may be. We both get jealous. I mean, we should. I mean, you see us?
You the money one, boss. See us.
Yeah.
Boss, see us here.
So, but that's how it is. I get it off my chest because I'm a Pisces. I want to talk about it. I want to figure it out. I want to hold on to things that bother me.
But all right, come up with that question. Come up with that question. You chat too much.
Richie, he will sit there and he will hold it in. and it'll be 2 months later before he brings it up. Don't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody can get my first lady, dog. I got chat too much of my with the family in actuality. I just said one simple thing, you breaking your chat like my boy did yesterday. All right. Who is most likely, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Where is it?
Who's most likely, why do you think of that one, to punish the kids?
Me, man. I love punish them, man. Me. I love punish their ass. Who is most likely to watch a scary movie?
Both of us.
Both of us.
Both of us.
Aha. All right.
We love scary movies.
Right. Okay. Okay, wait on. I like who's most likely game right here. That game is weird. Alright, ask you a question, good question. Okay. Oh, well, this is for you anyway. Who is most likely to listen to classical music?
Me.
Okay, see?
I love all kind of music. All kind. All kind.
Aye!
Stop!
Okay, yo. Listen. Who is most likely to drop asleep during sex?
What? I wish you would. You would not be married.
That's a true question, fam. Yes, it is a true question. You think I'm a lie? It is a true question.
They mean fall asleep after?
No.
Not during?
During. You see the big thing? Who is
During?
Most during sex.
No, sir. Not over here. Not in this residence.
Okay.
No, sir. We wouldn't be married by you. After,
See?
we both fall asleep.
See that? I know someone can't read in the mind. See that here? All
Not
right.
here. Not in the greedy couple household. We get in.
Like your birthday, like your B-day.
I've been doing like it's my B-day, baby. Doing
All
like
right.
it's my B-day. Out. Fall asleep during. Your mother? Shit.
All right. Who is most likely to get their friends in trouble?
That's a good question. Who is most likely to get their friends in trouble? None of us.
None of us, fam. We ain't no snitch. We don't do stuff like that. We ain't no snitch nine. We ain't snitching
The
nine.
question should be, who is most likely to get their friends out of trouble?
Yeah.
That's both of us.
Okay. Okay. I got two more. I got a couple more.
Who's more likely to go to bed angry?
Me. That's a good question.
Yeah.
That's true. Me, family. Me. Who is most likely to adopt wild animals?
Definitely not you.
Not me, family. I'm not a pet lover like that, but I got a dog, you know. I wanted
But
a
we love
fish.
Sasha.
We love our dog. I wanted a fish. All right. All right, ready? You have no more? Okay. All right.
Who's most likely to go bungee jumping?
Yeah, I don't do that blood now. I mean, I do that ratted. I leave that for the carry them. Family, I'll leave that for the carriers. Not me. I'm not doing none of that crap.
Woo.
You go? I got one more. Let me find a good one that we can relate to.
Good.
Okay. Who is most likely to break a world record in something?
Richie.
Yeah.
Richie.
I don't play. I love to be competitive.
Very
You know that?
competitive.
One more. All right. One more. Who is most likely to cry at the end of a movie?
Richie.
You're freaking
Fucker,
out.
yeah? You fucker, yeah? Yo, let me tell you something.
Family.
You think
First
crying
lady.
is a sign of weakness?
Yeah, family.
Ah.
All those questions to war, first lady.
The most dangerous person who bawl and tell their feelings.
All right.
Watch it,
All right. Who's most likely, right, to show up late at an important event?
Important event?
Yes.
Richie.
Family, first lady, I'm on time. I don't play about time. Let me tell you something, family. If I tell you I'm leaving at 5 o'clock, that means I'm leaving at 5 o'clock. No later than that. She know. They don't know. They know when it's my time to go. I don't play family. I'm about time. Right, Mama Dukes, we're about that time. And Mama Duke say, yo, we on time. Yo, what you love my mother-in-law, Lord, you know. All right. Mama Duke, right? Tell them, if we say we on time, we on time. All right? We don't play that. If not,
I'm on time too.
If not,
with work and everything else. But if I'm going somewhere,
who's most likely to get 1 million followers on TikTok?
Who's most likely?
Yeah.
I mean, like individually?
You.
I don't know. You kind of his TikTok.
You
gets a lot of views. But me, if I had one, we have a couple ones.
That's it.
That's it.
Yes.
You're finished, Freddie?
Freddie, I'm Freddie, because all them questions was for you. I'm glad you like them.
I know.
Yeah.
That's why next time we're going to play this game again, I'm going to ask the questions because all the questions were directed to me. So you got your shots.
Throw a shot at you. All right, family. Listen, we appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. The lasagna was busting. You know what I'm saying? We do what we want over here. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all joining the conversation, you know what I mean? Chillaxing and stuff, just watching us talk about blabbering them out. That's what we like about y'all. So, if you're new, I am Richie, and this is AKA First Lady, one and only. You hear it first. No imitation. Okay, so with that being said, I got a good, beautiful word for y'all, okay? This year, we only want to be around people that love us, not people that pretend they love us.
That's right.
And if you can relate,
you love me, honey?
You chat too much when you chat too fucking much.
You love me, sugar?
There's something on your mind. I'm taking it up for you.
That's so stupid.
Family, inside joke. Only my first lady, but they are first lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course.
Yes. Bye.